my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today I'm going to be telling you how to fit some 285/55/20s on your G-Wagon with a 2.5-inch lift and some 20x10 wheels with a positive 20mm offset. This is what you need to trim. The front inner fender, so inside of the bumper, you've got the plastic inner fender. This is what you'll need to take care of. This is what you'll need to address. You need to move that inner fender forwards. If you want to cut the inner fender out, you can completely remove it, or you can do some intricate trimming as well as securing the inner fender further up in the bumper to make it clear. In terms of the rear of the fender, it clears no problem. It is a dream. It's almost like Mercedes wanted you to put some oversized tires and wheels with a little bit of offset on it. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. We are the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If there's anything that we can do for you, please let us know. We are here to serve and happy to help. Give us a call, 833-268-2577. We would love to do anything we can to serve you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.